How to get Shopify free trial. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to get the free trial in Shopify. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, all you have to do is go to the Shopify website and then just enter your email address right here. And then after entering your email address, just click on Start Free Trial. And then after that, Shopify will start asking you these questions. So let's get started. Which of these best describes you? Will help you get set up based on your business needs. So if you're already selling online, just click on this. But if you're just starting, let's just click on this. So let's just put I am just starting. And then just click on next. And then it will ask you, where would you like to sell? Pick as many as you like. You can always change these later. We'll make sure you're set up to sell in these places. So if you're planning to create an online store, use this one. In person, use this one. An existing website or blog, use this one. Social media, use this one. Online marketplaces such as Etsy, Amazon, etc., use this one. And if you're not sure, just use this one. So let's say I would like to sell in an online store. So I'll just click on this and then click on next. And then it will ask you, what do you plan to sell first? Pick what you want to start with. Will help you stock your store. So there are different options right here. So products I buy or make myself, shipped by me. Digital products like music, digital art or NFTs, drop shipping products sourced and shipped by a third party, services like coaching, housekeeping, and consulting, print-on-demand products, my designs printed and shipped by a third party, or you can decide later. So let's say I would like to sell products that I buy or make for myself. And then once you're done choosing, just click on next. And then it will ask you for your country and region, so just input your country and region. When you click on next again, it will ask you to create a Shopify account. So you can sign up with an email, with your Apple account, with your Facebook account, or with your Google account. Or if you have a Shopify account, just log in. So for me, the easiest way for me is just by signing up with my Google account. So I'll just sign up with my Google account. And then once you're done signing up or logging in, it will start building your store. And then there you go. You'll be greeted by this dashboard of Shopify. And then if you want to extend your trial, all you have to do is just click on select a plan right here. And then you can choose between these plans. So for the basic plan, you'll have 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling, 3 markets, and POS Lite. Moving on for Shopify, for small teams, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling, 3 markets, 5 additional staff accounts, and POS Lite. So once you're done choosing your plan, let us now start by selling products. So to start off, let us start by customizing or setting up our online store. So to go to the online store, all you have to do is go to the left area over here and just go to online store. And then you'll be greeted by this. So as of now, we are still using the default theme for our online store. And then once I scroll down, you will have a lot of themes that you could choose depending on your niche. So feel free to explore those out. So for now, let's say I want to use this one right here, this theme right here, that Spotlight. Just click on add. And after that, the theme that you added will now appear in your theme library. And then after that, you can now start customizing your online store. So to customize, just click on customize right here. And then from there, you can now start customizing your store. So there are a lot of tools right here that you could use in customizing your store. So you can add a header, some templates, and some footers. So to start customizing your store, what you can do is go to this homepage right here. And then you can add blocks, add sections, add the section in your template, add the section in your footer, and add block. And then when I click on this header right here, I can edit everything. So you can edit the desktop logo position, the select menu, desktop menu type, sticky header, the color, the menu color scheme, and a lot more. Moving on, when I click on the featured collection right here, you can also edit that. So you can add text, change the heading size, add a description. You can also change the description style, add the maximum products to show, number of columns on desktop, view all style, the color scheme, product card, the image shape, the quick add, and you can also change the mobile layout. And then when I click on the footer right here, you can also edit that. You can change the color scheme, you can also add an email sign up, you can also change the text, and you can also add a follow on shop. display the social media icons that you have, and a lot more. And then when I go to this area right here, I can change the views of my online store. So right now we are at the desktop view. And then when I click on mobile right here, we will get to see our online store in mobile view. So yeah, that is pretty much the basics on customizing your online store. So once you're done customizing your online store, just click on publish and then it will publish your online store. Moving on, let us now proceed with the settings of our Shopify store. So to go to the settings, just go right here in the bottom left corner and then just click on settings. And then from here, you will find all the details related to your online store. So when we go to billings, we can set up our billing information right here. And then for payments, you can set up your payment information right here. You can set up your PayPal account right here or add your PayPal account right here. And then when we go to checkout, we can choose what customer contact method that we could use. So it says right here, select what contact method customers use to check out. So they can use their phone number, email, or just their email. And then you can also get your customer's information like full name. You can only require their last name, or you can require them to use their first name and last name. So for company name, you cannot include, there's an option and where you can't include it, if it's optional or if it's required. Same goes for address and shipping address phone number. Moving on, we have customer accounts. So from here, accounts in online store and checkout. So customer accounts let customers log in to track orders, view order history, and save addresses for faster checkout. So you can customize all of those here. Shipping. Next, we have shipping and delivery. So choose where you ship and how much you charge for shipping and checkout. So you can edit all of those information right here. And then you can also set expected delivery dates. You can also set up your local delivery, local pickup, and delivery customizations. There are also some additional settings right here that you can tweak out, like taxes and duties, locations. You can also set gift cards, your markets, your apps and sales channels, domains for your website, so you can buy a new domain or connect your existing domain, customer events, your branding, notification settings, custom data, languages, customer privacy policies, and store activity log. And then once you're done setting up your online store and then setting up the settings that are required for your online store, you can now start adding your products. So to start adding products, all you have to do is just go to products right here. Just click on that and then you'll be redirected here. So as you can see, it's going to ask you to add your products. So start by stocking your store with products your customers will love. So you can click on add product right here or just click on import. Or if you're planning to dropship, have dropshipping or print on demand products shipped directly from the supplier to your customer and only pay for what you sell. So if you want to browse for product sourcing apps, just click on this one right here. So right now, let's try to add some products. So just click on add product again right here, and then you'll be redirected here. So there are tons of options that you can customize in adding your product. So first, you can start off by adding a title. So just add the title or the name of your product right there, and then add a simple description about your product. And there are some tools here that you can use for your product right here. You can change the formatting. You can also generate text. You can also use these styles right here. So there's bold, italicized, underline, and you can also change the color, change the alignment, insert images, insert videos. And then when you click on these three dots right here, you'll have more options like bullet points, numbers, outdent, indent, and you can also insert a table. Moving on is the media. So from here, you can upload the pictures of your products. So it accepts images, videos, or 3D models. Moving on, we have pricing. So this is where you put the price of your product. So you can input the price, compare at price, the cost per item, your profit, and margin. Next is we have inventory, so you can track the quantity of your inventory. You can also tweak the shop location out, so continue selling when out of stock. This won't affect Shopify POFs, so staff will see a warning but can complete sales when available. Then moving on, we have shipping. So this is the physical product, so you can include the weight over here, and you can also add customs information. Next, we have variants, so you can add options like the size and color of your products. And then to the right side over here, you can change the status of your product, if it's active or if it's still in draft. And then for publishing, so there are tons of sales channels that you can use. So you can use online store, point of sale. So point of sale has not been set up, so finish the remaining steps to start selling in person. And then markets. Then moving on, we have product organization, so you can input the category of your product, so determine tax rates, and add meta fields to improve search, filters, and cross-channel sales. And then from there, you can add the product type, the vendor, the collections, and the tags. And then from there, you can also choose the theme template. And that's pretty much it on how to add or customize your product. And then once you're done with all of that, you are now pretty much set up in starting to sell your products or dropship your products in Shopify. So yeah, that is pretty much on how to use the Shopify free trial and how to tweak the settings on how to sell products and more.